Hi, I am Vasudev Pandit. I am a yoga professional in Delhi NCR. As per my educational credential are concerned, I have done my 10+2 with PCMB, Physics, Chemistry, Math and Biology stream. After that, I have completed my Bachelor of Engineering in Electrical stream, and I have worked as a IBMS engineer, Integrated Building Management System, for some 2-3 years. Then I moved into yoga, and I have done my diploma from Dev Sanskriti Vishwavidyalaya, postgraduate diploma in yoga. After that, I have completed QCI, Quality Council of India, in yoga, and then after I completed my MSc in yoga, then after I have researching on paper the modern yogic lifestyle, need of the hour, to now I basically focus on the client's requirement. The different clients have the different goal to do the yoga practices. Some are having issues with weight loss, some are having stress, some are having diabetes. The different kinds of aspects I used to focus to fulfill the requirements of the client. I used to teach the different school of yoga like Bikram Yoga, Hatha Yoga and Bihar School of Yoga. The different technique I use, and I concentrate on the flexibility and the correct posture to be done by the client. That is my main motto. To achieve or get the good result with the right posture is essential. So I always prefer to teach the less number of postures, but whatever the posture I used to teach should be done by client perfectly, slowly, but it must be perfect to get the optimum result from that yogic posture. I have designed my modern yogic lifestyle techniques, and I have published my book also on Amazon, the modern yogic lifestyle, the lifestyle which are able to eradicate all kind of ailments from the human body and have the capability to re-establish humanity in the world. We are watching in the world the news, all the humans are turning into wild, even having the great qualification, and there is no need of that much of qualification if you are not a good human being. So my book is dedicated to the whole world. The whole world should read it and try to turn into a good human. So whatever my in Delhi NCR from the last 2 to 3 years, my clients are like permanent. Whenever I get a client and teach them, the clients prefers me to teach continuously, as I always focus on the posture perfection, and I always try to adjust the posture perfectly and guide perfectly as per the anatomy and physiological structure of the body. As I have been a science student, so I always stressed on the physiological and anatomical structure of the human body, and accordingly I try to guide. So thank you for my intro. I love to teach yoga because it creates the happiness on the client's face, as well as if I teach the yoga and I continue with the yoga, it boosts my immunity and I always be stress free in life, in unconditionally. In any condition, I always maintain the smile on the face. There's so many ups and downs in human life, as you all know, but if you do yoga, you will be able to control your emotions and you will be able to maintain the happiness in your body parts, and your brain will be happy. Like stress is a main cause of all the diseases, lifestyle diseases like diabetes, cancer, hypertension, all the diseases related to the stress. It deteriorates the human physiology slowly. You will encounter the problems after the many years. If you go through the stress, then you will come a result of these kinds of dangerous diseases. As you might have seen that 34-year-old the Sushant Singh Rajput, the great actor, has turned into suicide. What was the reason? The stress was the reason. Why? If he were doing the yoga and yogic exercise, he might control their emotions and turn into a great deal to crack the records of the Bollywood. If someone is pertaining that, the Bollywood was the reason of his suicide. So I don't think that if you have eager to achieve the noblest end of your life, you must focus in your brain. You should not be dependent on anyone, and anyone cannot stop you if you have eager by your heart and mind, and you put your complete concentration and focus on your goal and target. You must achieve that. So there is no point of being a stress and dependent on others to your success. So I have designed modern yogic lifestyle. My book is totally dependent on your behavior and the diet plan and how you live your life to transform yourself into a great human being. It is most important nowadays in this era that being a great human being is very essential. You might have seen nowadays the coronavirus is very dangerous in the brain of the human, but it is not so dangerous as people are thinking of. If you have good immunity inside, the coronavirus will not do anything for you. You can handle the situation easily without taking stress. If you do yoga regularly, your immunity will be boosted and you will not need to worry about the coronavirus or upcoming virus or Hanta virus, H1N1 flu. Any kinds of flu you can handle if you have good immunity inside, and the good immunity inside will come only when you practice the yogic exercise. So I always recommend that you should practice yoga daily, at least 10 to 20 minutes after getting your physical fitness. If you have lot of weight, then you have to reduce first by doing the yoga practices 1 hour or 1.5 hours. But after getting your body in the fitness form or good form, you can do only 10 to 15 minutes, and you can be free from all the kinds of lifestyle diseases, and you can maintain happiness on your face, and you can manage all the works easily and happily. You will never be stressed in your life if you follow. Thank you for watching my intro. Now you can contact me for the yoga classes, and I always suggest that you must do yoga. You can choose any yoga professional first, learn first, after that you can do your own self. No need for a instructor the whole life. If you feel you are able to perform your practices perfectly, correctly, you can do your yourself and be happy. Maintain a smile on the face. Have a great day.